Pipedrive AI is here. Let's take a look at it in this May 2024 Pipedrive wrap-up. So AI features have begun to be incorporated in a lot of CRMs, not just Pipedrive. But what's important to understand is how each CRM is deciding to implement AI and incorporate it into their CRM and its suite of features. For Pipedrive, Pipedrive is looking at what the sales team and sales people are already doing and how Pipedrive can assist them in doing it even more effectively or even more efficiently using AI. One of the things that they realized is that still a whole bunch of sales still happen through communications in email. That leads to two of the 5 things that we're going to talk about, which is automated email composer, and then also automated summary of emails in an email thread. In addition to that, Pipedrive also wants to help salespeople to identify opportunities better, figure out where they should be spending their time. That's what opens up the AI feature number 3, which is the AI assisted smart assistant. And then we also look at what other apps or tools can best serve sales teams. And that's where we get to features 4 and 5, which are AI assistant for identifying applications that similar companies that use Pipedrive are also using, and then also natural language searches available for the marketplace. Let's jump into it. In order to access all of these Pipedrive AI features, you do that by going into your settings, tools and apps, and you're going to notice that right here on the right hand side, we now have an option for Pipedrive.ai. All 5 of the Pipedrive AI features are listed here. You can notice that all of these are available depending on what plan you're on, while the AI email summarization is still in beta mode. You can enable or disable any of these AI features by expanding each section and hitting enable feature if currently disabled, or by hitting disable feature if currently enabled. Now, importantly, you should know that not all AI features are available for all plans. In this case, if you're on the professional plan or up, you have access to all 5 of these AI features as they stand right now. And if you are on the essential plan or the advanced plan, the 2 AI features that you do have access to are the smart app recommendations and the AI-powered marketplace search. The AI-powered sales assistant, the AI email creation, and the AI email summarization are all available on that professional plan and up. So let's start with the AI-powered sales assistant. As we know, we've always had the sales assistant up here on the top right-hand corner. It's the light bulb that will turn yellow when we have new notifications. Pipedrive has decided to increase the capabilities of this feature and make it more useful by allowing the AI to make suggestions and to track your daily and monthly progress. Right here, this is one feature that you're going to see, the daily progress related to calls, to activities, everything like that, and then the monthly progress in terms of open deals, won deals, and revenue forecast. I'm currently in a demo account, which is why this is all blank, but over time, maybe I might come back around and show you guys a better example once we actually have some data in there. In addition to that, there's a couple other things that Pipedrive will do for you with this AI assistant. It's hard to make it kind of show up on command, but some of the other features that the AI sales assistant should allow you to do is to help you calculate revenue, remind you of opportunities, suggest useful features, and to help boost deal velocity by analyzing the average time that deals take to move from one stage to next, and notify you if a deal takes too long before another action needs to be taken. So that's what the AI sales assistant does. Can't demonstrate too much for you because it just kind of pops up when it pops up, but I think it's a very helpful feature that you should see be incorporated into your daily CRM use from here on out. Let's turn our focus back to then the second feature in line, the AI email creation. All right, so this is a really cool feature here. I've jumped into a deal. It can work anywhere where you're doing an email, and right here on the right-hand side, you're gonna see this message that says write my email with this little magic wand. So how this works is that you describe what you want to write, just as you would prompt ChatGPT, the same way as what you're doing here. You're prompting it what to say, and it will come up with a solution. So I would say, tell Matt how excited we are to work together and outline next steps, which include scheduling the kickoff call. Now, one thing to note is this is available not just in English, but also in a whole bunch of other languages. So as you're working through this, if you are working in another language, it should be able to capture that as well. A few things to keep in mind is not only are you prompting it through the describe email section up here, but you're also able to decide the tone. I typically, for example, based on my disc analysis, usually prefer a friendly tone, and how long you want it to be, usually about standard length. In this case, we can hit generate email. It's going to take a second to generate, but within a few seconds, you can see what the email will look like. So here we have, hi Matt, we're thrilled to have the opportunity to work together and are looking forward to so on and so forth, right? You can take it and go with it. You can see that you can ask to regenerate by hitting describe email again or hitting regenerate. And then once you're happy with the message that the AI generated for you, you just hit copy into message and it'll pop right into your actual email there. Obviously from here, you can make any additional edits that you need, but this can be really helpful for prospecting, for sales and sales follow-ups. It can really improve your effectiveness and efficiency in working in Pipedrive. One other important thing to note is that right now, this is all prompt-based, which means that yes, you can use Write My Email for responding to emails in an email thread, but it will not take into account the emails that came before it. At least that's how it's working now. It's all based on your prompt, but later on, I'm sure that that's something that Pipedrive will look at implementing as well. So let's jump into the next feature. All right, so the last few features I mentioned have to do with apps and integrations. These are the two features that are available in all plans. Pretty simple, but can be powerful as well. First one is the AI-assisted kind of smart app feature, which allows you to get customized app recommendations based off of companies that are using Pipedrive and seem similar to yours, or based out of what you currently have integrated with Pipedrive. So for example, for us, this feature is the app recommendation, the smart app feature here, and it's saying dedupli. Dedupli, by the way, I mentioned it in one of the previous videos about deduplicating records in Pipedrive. This is a third-party app that is actually really useful. We've used it with some of our clients before, and we're partners of them. So if you are interested, just let us know, drop a comment, and we'd be happy to talk more about that in the future for you guys. Now, the final version of this is the app marketplace. So let's say here, it's this feature right here. Let's say that we want to find something for lead scoring. That's something actually what a lot of clients are asking for. I've never done this. We're going to do this live, right? So let's say I want help. I want to use an app to help with lead scoring. Funny enough, that's actually one of the suggestions here. So you can see here that we've got quite a few that pop up. The first recommendations are LeadWorks, Sales Automation, Round Robin Your Leads, Leady, and Help Scout are 4 different options that they've provided here. Well, that'll bring us to the end of the May 2024 Pipedrive wrap-up, all focused on these new AI features that have come out for Pipedrive. I know it can seem like a little scary at first if you have no previous experience working with AI, but it's really something worth digging into, and this is just the beginning of what Pipedrive will enable you to do through AI. You may have noticed that halfway through the video, I even changed my shirt. That was just because I started filming on one day, finished filming on the other day. Honestly, I myself was a little bit nervous about jumping into this world because I didn't know too much about it. But now that I'm in it and I've been able to see what Pipedrive can do now and where it could go from here, I'm really excited about the future and what that means for Pipedrive and AI. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Please like the video and subscribe so that we can make more content that will help you out in the future. Thanks, and see you next time.